Imagine sitting alone, just you, your laptop, and a glowing screen. No office, no boss, no one watching over your shoulder. But behind that screen, you're doing something most people can't even understand. You're a hacker. Not the movie kind with green code flying everywhere. A real hacker. Someone who knows how the digital world actually works. But hacking isn't just about typing fast. It's about solving problems. Websites have security systems. Companies have firewalls. Networks are designed to keep people like you out. And every system you see online is basically asking one question. Can someone break this? That someone might be you. A real hacker follows a process. First, reconnaissance. You study the target system. Look for weaknesses. Second, testing vulnerabilities. Maybe outdated software. Maybe weak passwords. Third, exploiting the system. One small mistake in the code, and suddenly a door opens that no one else can see. But here's the important part. There are two paths in hacking, the illegal one and the professional one. Some hackers break systems for money or chaos, but others become ethical hackers. Companies actually hire them to break into their systems legally, so they can fix the problems before criminals find them. Same skills, different purpose. When you become a professional hacker, your life changes. Instead of hiding in the shadows, you work with companies, banks, tech companies, governments. Your job is simple. Find the weakness before someone else does. And the best hackers in the world, they make six-figure salaries doing exactly that. But if you choose the wrong path, hacking can destroy your life, because the same skills that unlock systems can also land you behind bars. In the end, hacking isn't really about computers. It's about choices. And in the digital world, the smartest hackers know that the real power isn't breaking the rules. It's understanding them.